the different types of plants around us. One among them is trees. They are tall plants. Tall plants are called trees. Then small bushy plants are called shrubs. Very small plants are herbs. Then the plants that need support to stand straight are climbers. Plants that grow along the ground is creepers. So these are the different types of plants around us. Okay children, did you understand? Yes, good. Yes children, so far we learned about different types of plants around us. Yes, trees, mango tree, apple tree, pine tree, they are all examples of trees. They are big plants, isn't it? Tall plants. Then we learned about some small plants like rose, hibiscus, jasmine. They are small bushy plants we say. They are called shrubs. Then there are very small plants, very short, like grass, tulsi, mint. They are actually herbs we say, herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs. Then we learned about the plants that cannot grow straight without support. With support they can stand straight. So they are climbers. With support they climb up. So climbers. Grapevine, then pea plant, money plant, they are climbers. They climb up with support. We have to give some support like stick or wall. Yes. But there are some plants that never stand straight. They grow along the ground. They are creepers. They creep along the ground we say. Creep or grow along the ground. They are creepers. Examples: pumpkin, watermelon. They usually have big fruits. Pumpkin, watermelon are big, isn't it? Yes, they are creepers. Next we will learn about parts of a tree. Parts of a tree. Parts of a tree. Okay. Do you know that like us, plants also have different parts? Do you know? We have different parts, isn't it? We have hands, legs, eyes, nose, isn't it? Etc. We have different parts. Same like that, plants and trees, they also have different parts. Now let us learn about these parts. There are 5 main parts of a plant. So how many parts are there, children, for a plant? There are 5 main parts are there for a plant. 5 main parts of a plant. There are 5 main parts of a plant. What are they? Can you see the image here? Image of a tree they have given here. Image of a tree. So there are 5 main parts of a plant. Okay, let's see. Here that green color thing. Yes, green color. What is that? Yes, they are leaves. They have shown a big tree here. In the image you can see a big tree. So the one that full of green color. Yes, they are leaves actually. Leaves, isn't it? Yes. Small leaves we can see inside. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Then here under the ground they are roots actually. Roots. R-O-O-T-S. Under the ground we can see roots. They fix the plant in the ground. Roots fits the plant. So roots are there in the underground. Then as I said you earlier, here the brown part of the plant, the thick stem, woody stem we say. They are stem actually. This is a stem of a tree. Very thick, very hard wood, isn't it? Yes. That is called trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Or stem we say, or trunk. Yes. Now you can see here different branches. Branches are there for trees, isn't it? Branches. So branches is another part of a tree. Branches. You can see different branches. The branches, they are different branches of a tree. Branches. So branches is another part of a tree. Branches. 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 Then the tree where you can see something is hanging there, no? Yes, what is that? The hanging thing. Yes, they are actually fruits. 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 Okay? Yes, they are fruits. So how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 parts are there. They are the main part of the plant. They are the main part of the plant. Okay? Yes. So which are the main 5 parts of the plant or a tree? Yes, leaves. On tree we can see leaves, green color leaves we can see. Then roots, in the underground we can see roots. Then the thick stem, woody stem or hard stem of tree. It is stem or called trunk of a tree. Trunk, trunk. Then branches. Yes, from trees where leaves and fruits or fruits are hanging. It is branches, and on branches we can see fruits hanging down, isn't it? Yes, fruits. So these are the 5 main parts of a plant. So which are the 5 main parts of a plant? Leaves, Leaves, leaves. Roots, Roots. Roots. Fruits, Fruits, fruits. Then branches, Branches, branches. Then stem or trunk, 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 Stem, stem. So these are the main parts of a plant or a parts of a tree. Leaves, roots, branches, stem. Then stem, root, leaves, roots, branches, stem and fruits. These are the main parts of a tree or a plant. Which are the main parts of a plant or a tree, children? Leaves, roots, fruits, branches, stem. Stem also called as trunk. Trunk, trunk. Yes. Life skills. Okay, from the pictures below, encircle the activities which show people taking care of plants and cross the pictures where people are harming plants. Yes, encircle means the circle where in the image you can see people are taking care, and cross the pictures where people are harming plants. So we never harm plants. Plants are really friends of us. We have to treat them as our friends. They are our green friends. We should not harm plants. We should protect them. We should take care of them. That is the value you have to learn from this lesson, that we have to take care of plants. We should never harm the plants. Okay? Yes, the first image. See the first image. A child is watering the plants. He is doing such a good thing. Yes. So it means that he is taking care of plants. That's why he is watering it. Yes. So it is a good thing that the child is doing. That activity means the child is taking care of plants. So you can circle it. Yes. Second, a child is plucking the flower and smelling that flower, isn't it? Yes. So plucking flowers is not a good habit, children, isn't it? When we see flowers in the garden, we feel so happy. It is very good to see flowers in the plant. Plucking means it's not good thing. So we should not pluck flowers. If flowers are falling down, if any flowers or leaves falls down, then we can take it, no problem. but we should not go and pluck the flowers. So plucking is not a good thing or not a good habit. So it is not, that activity is not good. So it means that we harm the plants. We are not taking care if we pluck the flowers. So cross, you can cross the second image. Then third one, wow, a child is planting something. What he is planting? A sunflower plant. Wow, it is so good, a good activity. We should plant a small seed or planting we should do whenever we get time. It is a good thing, it's a good habit, isn't it? Yes, since in the soil he planting it and he is going to watering it. It's a good activity, so you can circle it. It's a good thing. He's taking care of plant. That's why he is planting that, isn't it? Yes. So the third image you can circle. So children, we should never harm plants. We should take care of plants, or we should protect the plants. So let's recall, children. What are the main things you learned here? We learned about different types of plants around us, isn't it? Around us we can see different types of plants, many kinds of plants. Yes, we learned about first one, trees. Yes, trees. Trees are tall plants, or big plants are called trees. T-A-L-L, tall plants or big plants are known as trees, isn't it? Yes, example, yes, mango tree, then apple tree, yes, then neem tree, etc. They are all examples of trees. Banyan tree, B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan tree. They are all examples of trees. Trees live for many years. Then next we learned about, yes, good, shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. They are small, bushy plants, we say. Small, bushy, B-U-S-H-Y, small, bushy plants. They are shrubs. Example, rose, rose, then jasmine. They are all shrubs, or hibiscus. They are all shrubs, small bushy plants. They live for few years. Then we learned about very small plants or short plants. They are, yes, they are herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs. Very short plants, we say, very short plants. They are shrubs, sorry, herbs. Very short plants are herbs. Examples, grass, mint, tulsi. They are all examples of herbs. They are very short or very small. Then we learned about some plants that need support to grow, support to climb. When we give support, they climb, like stick or wall, they climb. What kind of plants they are? Yes, they are climbers. Yes, climbers need support to climb or grow. They are not strong, they are weak plants. They need support to grow. They need support to grow because they are not strong. So examples, yes, money plant. Money plant is an example. Then one more example, grapevine. Yes, these are the examples of climbers. These plants need support to climb or to grow straight, to stand straight. They need support. They are climbers. Then we learned about some plants that grow along the ground or creep along the ground. They are known as creepers. Yes, creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. They grow along the ground. Grow along the ground. They are creepers. Example. Yes, they usually have big fruits. So, watermelon, pumpkin. These are the examples of creepers. They creep along the ground or they grow along the ground. They are creepers. Okay, children. So, these are the different kinds of plants we learned. Isn't it? Yes. Then we learned about parts of a tree or parts of a plant. So which are the main parts of a plant, or how many parts are there for a tree, for a plant? Yes, there are 5 main parts. Which are they? Roots. Underground we can see roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Then leaves. We can see different kinds of leaves. Yes, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Then fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Then branches, yes, branches, B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches. Then the hard woody thing in the tree, it is stem, S-T-E-M, stem, or we can say trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. So these are the 5 main parts of a tree, isn't it? Roots, fruits, leaves, branches, then stem or trunk are the main 5 parts of a tree or parts of a plant. Yes. Children, so what value do you learn from the lesson? That we should take care of plants. We should never pluck the flowers from plant. We should never harm the plant. They are our friends, green friends. We should take care of plants. We should take care of them. So whenever you get time, if there is any space in your ground where you stay or in front of your house, if you have space, then or nearby, small space is enough for you actually to plant a small seed, isn't it? Do that activity. It is very good thing that you are doing, planting a tree. As small children, you should do that. By seeing you, others will do, because you are doing a good thing, a good activity. So try to plant the tree and water it daily. See how they are growing. It's so fun to, it's so good to watch when the plant grows. Okay, so we completed the lesson, children. Then you have to read the lesson now. Read once, twice or thrice the lesson. Word by word you should read and learn the spellings of everything. Any hard spelling, if you find, you spell it and learn, or if you want to write and learn, you write 4 or 5 times that spelling and learn. Then read the lesson once, twice. It will be easy for you when you answer the exercises. Okay, so read the lesson thoroughly. Okay, children.